All right, what up, what's going on? Let me go on ahead and get ready. Take this pulley off that's over there. I had to go and get a new belt and pulley from the dealer. There you go. And the belt. And there goes the pulley right up over there. So let me see if I can get you tuned in as I reach in there and take. That's the water pump. You see it. That look like it's leaking, but then again, the drips could have been coming from up top. I doubt that. So next is gonna be the water pump, but that was a fairly new water pump looking. So, this is the time that you would sit here and check all your pulleys, other pulleys, to make sure that they're doing better. The pink stuff was allegedly coming from that other hose that I replaced. So let me dive off into this and get this thing off right quick. So stay tuned. There you go with that one. I had loosened these already. So that's why that was like hand tight. Oh, that's the heavy joker. The hard part is putting the belt on. That's where I'll be fighting. Hopefully I remember the pattern. And there you go. I'm struggling. It would have been better off to come out the side where you guys are at. But I'm here now, so let's just hope for the best. Come on, let's talk. Okay, I'm out. Out. So there it go. The old one with the new one. See, it's locked up. But this one was actually able to come out. That's what they were showing at the dealer, but the new part is pressed in, so it's not, I guess. And once again, you see the green on there. That's how you would assume, or yeah, you assume that it was from the dealer. I mean, original. But here we go. So let's go on ahead and squeeze this back on there. Let me see if I can get you guys settled back in over there. Focus. I don't even know where the heck it was. I guess it was right there in that area somewhere. All right, let me go back to the other side. Slide this back in the same way I took it out. R&R, remove and replace. dropping it. The thing is heavy. Now I gotta climb off in there some. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Y'all see it? See the struggle? It's real. That's why the labor costs so much, man. This is the crazy stuff that it costs. In the book, it probably calls for removing the fan, but due to experience, this is what you call cheating. So whatever the hourly rate is probably charges a couple hours to do it. I'm over here just feeling it blindly because my backside is on this busy street over here. I just dropped that bolt and I really have no idea where the heck I dropped it. So I'm trying to feel for this hole where that bolt is at. Maybe that's something I should have done from the gate. That's one. Oh, and that's two. So I'm hecka high up. Oh, it's hurting my arm. This darn thing is heavy. It's heavy. Let's see, is it easier to start this side? Yeah, I'm bumping y'all around. It's not really, but let's see now. I don't even know where I dropped that other bolt at. Alright, y'all, this is a pain in the butt now. I'm trying to. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut y'all off. I'll get y'all back on when I get it in there. Alright, y'all. See if I can get you plant it back up a little bit. Where is it at? Right there. I have it in. Found the bolt. It was sitting in between the crank pulley I would have had the Milwaukee electric drill 3/8, that should have been a little faster. Ouch, I have to come over there where you guys are. Woo. I tell you. Like I said, good thing it happened close instead of happening to do roadside and stuff. That would have been a bummer for me. All right, oops, bump y'all out. That's good. Good. Now let's try to put this belt on. If I remember the way it goes, which you probably don't remember. Let's see here. So I'm gonna have to tune y'all in back later. But if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, comment, and whatever else. All right, y'all.